if you're uploading videos on your YouTube channel and you are not getting views, like you realize that your videos are beyond some certain numbers of views, this usually means that you started uploading your videos minus turning on some setting or minus turning off some setting. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you some settings you need to turn on or you need to turn off on your YouTube channel to push your content to the right audience. If you feel this is a video you like to watch, kindly give it a thumbs up, share, and also subscribe to this channel. We are going to be doing these settings on our YouTube Studio dashboard. If you know you are using your mobile phone, just go to your Google and type youtubestudioDashboard.com. Once you come to your Google, you type studio.youtube.com/dashboard. Okay, you are doing this because for those that don't know how to log in the YouTube Studio dashboard with the mobile phone, so you click on this YouTube dashboard. So it will bring you to this place, right? So this is your YouTube Studio dashboard. Yes, this is what you are going to see. So you click on this setting. It will bring you to where you see general, channel, upload defaults, permission, community moderation, and agreement, right? So now we are going to be doing some settings on upload default. So now let's click on upload default. Okay, so once you click on it, you're going to see basic info and advanced setting. So first of all, the one we are going to be doing first is on basic info. You come to this place down, you scroll down, you see visibility, and that visibility, mine is on private. Yes, I'm going to tell you the reason why you have to leave it on private. So once you click on it, you're going to see public, private, and unlisted, right? So you put it on private. Why? One of the reasons why you are putting it on private is to give the algorithm time to analyze your video, and also give the algorithm time to read the data to your video for the right audience that are interested in your video. Yes, it is very, very, very important. So you don't just put your videos on public. Like once you publish your video, you just go ahead and put it on public without giving the algorithm time to analyze your video. You understand? So the next setting we are going to be doing, we'll go to advanced setting. You scroll down where you see category, right? So you click on this category. So this category is all about what your YouTube channel is all about. That is what your content is all about. So this place is just for you to click on to tell the YouTube algorithm what your content is all about. So once you click on this category, you're going to see none, autos and vehicles, comedy, education, entertainment, film and animation, gaming, auto and style, music, news, and so on. So now if you know that you are doing content concerning vehicles, bicycles, and all that, right? So you have to choose auto and vehicles. Then that way you are telling the YouTube algorithm that this is what your content is all about. Yes, without you choosing any of this category, you are not feeding the algorithm what the content is all about, especially for new YouTubers. Without them doing this setting, choosing their category, they just go ahead and start uploading their videos on their YouTube channel, and at the end of the day you see them not getting views. That is simply because of you've not feed the algorithm what your content is really all about. So now you see comedy. If you know you are into comedy skits, funny skits, and all that, so you choose comedy. If you are into education, teaching, like all these education channels on YouTube concerning how to teach kids and all that, you choose education. So if you're into entertainment, music industry, and all that, you choose entertainment. Film and animation, you choose film and animation. Gaming, and so on and so forth. My content is all about how to grow your channel, how to get views, how to get subscribers. So definitely I'm going to go for how to and style, because This will make it easily for the YouTube algorithm to push my videos to my right audience. There is this particular setting I want you to go and turn off. Don't forget that I told you that there are some settings you need to do. You need to turn off or turn on before you start uploading your videos. Now, you see this particular setting. Once you scroll down, you see this show how many viewers like these videos. You can see here that it is turned off. So you can turn yours off if you know that your viewers are not liking your videos. So you have to turn it off, because I get to realize that if your viewers are not seeing the numbers of likes that you get, definitely they are going to click on it to be liking your videos. You understand? But once some viewers are seeing the numbers of likes you get, especially if you have few numbers of likes, some of them will not click on. They won't click on the like button to like your videos. So make sure you turn this off. So the next one we are going to be doing, we are going to be clicking on channel, basic info, advanced setting, right? So you click on this advanced setting where you see, do you want to set your channel as made for kids? So it is very, very important for you to click on this, turn on this, no, set this channel as not made for kids, because you are telling YouTube that your YouTube channel is not made for kids. Because once you click on yes, this channel is made for kids, that is automatically your comment section is turned off, and they're going to you are not going to get views, especially when the content is not all about kids. YouTube is going to push that video directly to kids channel. So it is very important for you to do this setting. Make sure you turn this setting on. No, set this channel as not made for kids. So another setting is this feature eligibility. So once you click on it, you're going to see standard features, intermediate features, advanced features, right? As you can see here, mine is showing enabled. So if you know that yours is not showing enabled, make sure you click on it to enable it, yeah, so that YouTube will know that it's this particular channel being operated by human being. So you have to make sure you verify your account. If you feel this video was helpful, please kindly give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. See you on our next one, guys. Bye.